It's gonna be so great. You're gonna be able
I'm testing this out, yeah.
Yeah, can I be in it? Are you filming right
It's
now?
filming, yeah.
Hi guys.
We'll see if it works.
Yeah, it's gonna be fantastic.
This is like the test run for like real events, you know?
Cool. Well, I mean, this is a real event.
Yeah. Well, this is a real event, I guess, right?
Yeah.
So we'll see if it works. Do you have anything to say about the event?
Yes, we expect to be a great event, have a good time, and connect with people and enjoy the night.
What is your occupation? What are you networking?
Well, I'm a winemaker in Mexico.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and basically I'm here to provide the wine and show everybody what we're doing down there in Valle. So I'm very excited about it.
So if this video looks a little tipsy later, then you know if I had a couple glasses of that wine.
Of course.
This elevator is pretty cool too.
Yes.
It's like Alice in Wonderland or something.
Very good design. Please.
Oh wow, feel the sunset here. This is pretty incredible views. Check out these views here. Wow. Oh my goodness. How's it going? Yeah, yeah. Wow. I was having to take a picture with just my regular camera. It's pretty cool. We'll go around this way. Here we got the sunset. All ships in the harbor.
Hi.
Nathan.
Nice to meet you, Maria.
Maria.
Vivian.
Oh, we got name tags?
Oh
in
no,
there?
I need to go get one. I'm gonna go get one right now.
Yeah, I need to get one, put one on too. I'm trying to do photo and video at the same time, see how it works out.
Yeah. Also, you're doing
Yeah, it's
video
recording right now.
Hello. That's so
What are you like networking, or what do you hope to get from this event?
Yeah, well, I didn't get much information about it. My friend reached out to me, and I'm an interior designer. So,
Interior design,
yeah,
okay.
If any developers need of like anything that has to do with interior design.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
How about you?
I'm here to support Eva. I met her at the gym actually, but she's a construction gal.
Yeah.
I'm a construction
Okay.
gal. So
I haven't seen her yet. She's waiting to make her big
I know
appearance.
Eva.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
I feel like when it's like PC, body out. Yes, body out.
Okay, I'll try it one more time. 1, 2, 3. All right, we can do one with the sunset real fast. All right, 1, 2, 3. Sunset's kind of behind the building. You can't really see it
okay.
much.
Yeah, the other ones are a little better, huh?
Yeah.
That's great though. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wearing a GoPro.
Yeah, I'm doing video and photography at the same time.
Want to take a photo of us?
Sure.
All right.
Better light is here.
Okay. Who's next?
All right. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I started a YouTube podcast
Cool.
where I interview photographers and show off their work and stuff like that. but then I'm also want to try to also do other type of videos like this, like networking videos and stuff.
Can we take a picture, Nathan?
Yeah.
Okay, and I?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Here, stay right here. Okay, 1 second. 1, 2, 3. Okay. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What is your name?
My name's Neha.
Oh, Nathan.
Neha.
No, I'm Nathan.
Oh, you're Nathan. Oh, did you just call me Nathan? Are you like an event photographer?
Yeah.
Oh, very cool. Okay.
I've done like Comic-Con, I did the Lakeside Rodeo a
Okay.
weekend ago. I do a lot of sports.
Okay.
Yeah, all different types of
How do I
events.
get your information?
I have my card.
I'm having an event. I'm a chiropractor, so I'm having like a wellness event in November. And my office, she's like, we have to get an event photographer. So I was like, wow.
Is it during the day or weekend or night or what is it?
It's on a Thursdays from 3 to 6.
Oh, because I do have a 9 to 5 job.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is like a side,
Oh,
a side
this is
thing.
a side
yeah.
thing. Okay, all right.
How do you know Eva or?
So I live in this building.
Oh, you live in this building.
And then Britton came in my office as my patient.
Oh,
He needed a
okay.
chiropractor, and then we just ended up being friends. And then he told me about this event, and I was like, oh, that's awesome.
Awesome.
So yeah, they're just really good people. I just met Eva right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I was like, oh, that's an awesome. Yeah. So.
Nathan. Yeah.
Taylor, nice to meet you.
Oh, where's your name tag?
I know we didn't see the name tags.
Oh,
when we walked in.
they're on the table by the board. Taylor?
Yes.
Okay.
Angela.
Nathan. I think I might follow you on Instagram. I'm not sure.
I
Yeah.
took a lot of photos.
One day you took some photos.
Awesome. Do you work with like San Diego Swim Week?
I do. Yeah.
That's probably
I recognized you.
Wait, that's her. She's a model.
I was a photograph for San Diego Swim Week.
Okay,
and,
that's probably
And
why.
you walked in it,
I
right?
worked for them for 2 years.
Yeah. That's how I know her. Yeah. You didn't do the black tape
I
project?
I didn't do it this year because of that. I'm getting into law.
Oh,
So,
okay.
you probably don't want to talk about it.
They'd be like, sorry, we can't admit her.
Exactly. The second I heard about the black tape, I was like, that's too much for me. I can't do that. It's yeah, but I did their opening this year, so that was fun. And that was,
Do you have to apply specially to be in the black tape part of it, or?
I think they just randomly like assign you.
Oh, they randomly assign you to it.
Most girls, I think, did it. That I.
Okay.
But yeah, I just.
3.
Than I am, and it's all about helping each other grow. It's always hard to get to that next level when you have like the friend group you finally cut away with, and you're trying to move up to that next level, but they already cut away everyone that like you are. So, into this tether, we're not going to fall as dominoes, we're going to grow as pillars. And that's the whole point of why I want to have this type of group.
And what kind of business?
Trade show.
Oh, trade show,
Conventions.
okay.
Yeah, so
Cool.
yeah.
I mean, I shoot Comic-Con every year.
Oh, do you
I live
really?
here
Oh,
downtown.
no kidding.
So
Okay.
I used to get tickets to Comic-Con, but then it's too hard. It's like trying to get Taylor Swift tickets.
That's what we've heard. Yeah, we don't do Comic Con yet. We will. We will someday.
What'd you hear?
I know. I'm like, what do women like to talk? What do women talk about when men aren't around?
Men. We talk about you, just like you guys talked about us or sports is talking about you, actually.
Gossip. No.
No, men. Just men. Just life. The crazy things you guys do.
That's the whole podcast in itself.
Yes, it is. It
I
absolutely
don't even
is.
need a podcast.
Exactly.
You don't ghost them.
No.
Oh, that's
no,
good. That's
so
good.
That's rude.
fucked up.
That's rude.
Yeah, no,
That's
that's
rude.
bad karma too. That's rude. If you've ever been ghosted, the slightest bit, it's not a good feeling. So, no, you gotta give them an explanation. You know, it's like, it's not you, it's me.
And it's super courageous in general. Like anytime you're putting yourself out there, like male or female. So you should be kind.
Just
What are your deal breakers?
my deal breakers? Ooh, that's a good question. I mean, a liar.
Oh yeah. And omitting certain details is the same as lying.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, obviously a cheater. You don't find out that for long, unfortunately. So I guess liar. As soon as I find out someone's lying, I'm not stupid.
You lie about one
so-
thing, you lie about
Yeah, I'm like,
What about physically? Anything physically? Or you don't care?
no. Well, I mean,
Height?
okay. No, my boyfriend's actually pretty short,
Oh, really?
to be honest.
Yeah, my ex was I dated a guy that was
Doesn't matter.
6'5", 6'4", 6'2", and then my last ex was 5'9".
Yeah, 5'9".
Was
Oh,
with him for 8
you went
years.
off your usual.
Yeah.
Then.
Well, honestly,
But it doesn't. But that's not really the thing.
It
Like,
doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some girls
I think-
care though, so.
I mean, I think a
You're
lot
tall.
of guys like.
We're lucky because
Yeah.
we're not hurt.
Yeah, I'm very high
I
heels.
mean, would I date a guy that's shorter than me? Probably not.
What are you like?
5'2".
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
So like,
So
it would
be
be
hard to
pretty
find.
hard to find like a guy that's 5'2".
Yeah.
You guys want a picture? All right. 1, 2, 3. You broke a million guys' hearts when when she revealed that you were her boyfriend. You broke a million people's hearts out there. You're luckiest guy in San Diego.
I saw the comments.
How did you guys meet?
Here.
Oh, here. Wow.
Yeah, I live here. She lives here.
Wow. You're just working out at the same time. Or
Oh,
just
just at the pool.
oh, nice. Yeah, she's super cool. I follow her on Instagram. So
Yeah.
I love seeing her videos and stuff like that.
Oh, she's great. All right, I'm gonna go.
All right. Yeah.
Thanks.
All right.